Good morning, students. I'm Amitabh Ghosh from Great Mission Public School, Himmatpur block, and I'm teaching you computer science as a subject. I hope you are all doing well and preparing yourself for PA test. So in today's lecture, I'm going to start a new chapter on application of IT in ITeS industry. It is a 3-class based lecture series. So in today's lecture, I'm going to give you basic introduction about IT, ICT and ITeS. So today we will be starting a new chapter on applications of IT in IT industry. You all know about IT. What is an IT? Well, we are living in an age of information technology which has bring all of us together in a global village. This word IT comes from the word information, or in a better way, data, which is a small piece of information. A data in IT is a crucial information through which we can study, we can do a research, and we share that resource among each other. There is no place in the world where IT has not entered. So it is a part of our day-to-day life, and without which we are helpless. In your book, there are few examples given, like it has talked about Google Map. What it does, Google Map is an application that allows you to navigate some unfamiliar location to which you travel. Also, if you get lost in a location which is not aware, this app allows you to rescue you and take you to your destination. One more type of service that we are using is online retail service. You all have heard about Amazon, Flipkart, eBay. What it does is, with a single click on your mouse or in your smartphone, you order a product and that product delivers to your location within few days. In 2009, one word has been coined by UNESCO, that is ICT, or Information and Communication Technology. What they say is the system of technologies, tools and devices that are used to transmit, process, store, create, display, share, or exchange information by electronic means. Now, what does that mean? It means, as I said, that the data or the information is crucial to us. Once we are in need of information, we search that information across internet, we gather that information across internet, save that data or information to a storage location, and then we share that information among each other. So different type of services or technology we are using over here, that is communication media, like network media, routers, modems, gateways, network cables, wireless. These are all networking media. We are using different type of application to access web services, like we are using browsers, we are using messenger services, we are using email services, and also storage. What type of storage? Like you save that information hard disk, you carry that information in your pen drive, and you can move that information from one location to the another location to show that what you have gathered from internet, and you can continuously work on that information. So that information is a crucial resource to you. Now this information has so widely used that it has developed another stream as ITeS, which stands for IT enabled services, which means the companies who are offering IT services. Now let me give you a better example of ITeS services. You might have heard about Google, which is a corporate giant in IT industry. Now consider the type of services Google is offering. Google is offering you a browser. You all have heard about Chrome, Google Chrome. It is also offering you email services. Gmail is one of the most popularly known service. It is also offering you cloud storage like Google Drive, where you can save most of your medias, text media, graphics, videos to a cloud drive, and you can access that resource from anywhere in the world using internet service. ITeS is a type of IT related service that a company is offering. ITeS is a type of outsourced service that involves the use of IT. These can be human resource, insurance, finance and banking, or telecommunication service. The most of the common example of ITeS that you come across in your day-to-day life are call centers, back office, content development and logistic management. You are all already aware about call centers. What is call center? Call center is a location which gives you IT related support service through a phone call. Another word you might have heard about is BPO, or business processing outsourcing. What it does, it gives you support on phone call, it gives you support through chat services, it gives you support through email services, and helps you to give you better support services like back office services, like calling services, like business industry services. So in the previous section, as I read it for you, that what are the BPO services that can be offered in different type of departments like human resource department, insurance, defense, banking, telecommunication. These are the few departments, but in today's world BPO is growing in such a wide network with using less resources. Capital structure means you do not have to employ a BPO in your industry. If you have your own business, it does not require a BPO in your company. It is a third party IT enabled services which charges you small bucks, and they can give you best of their support and services. The third one, other than call center and BPO, is business process management, which clearly defines that how a business can grow in a better and efficient manner. So this this management services is so much operational these days that they provide you quality of business service to grow your business in a well and profitable manner. But this business process management is much costlier than the other two services, because here they are following a process model or a life cycle. They study on the working of the business. They find the loopholes why the business is not growing, why it is not getting efficient profit. All these study has been done in business process management. Once they do proper analysis, they come with a proper solution, and the business management work on that process level. They keep on doing a survey, some research and development is also required, proper analysis and observation is required. Once they come with an outcome, they implement in their business services. So what are the advantages that this industry is offering? It offers finest and high quality service are delivered through the state of art hardware and software. It requires a huge amount of investment to ensure superior great service delivery. So it means this industry is only applicable for the big organization or the big business partner. It is not at all beneficial or better to take this service for a mediocre or a small scale industry. It guarantees flawless and excellent service by following repeated quality checks. As I said, they follow some business process model which is given over here. So they keep on doing workout on the business cycle, and once they come with an outcome, that process has been followed in that business industry. Here government of India is also boosting the BPM industry by providing the required infrastructure and logical support. So this is one of the best outsourcing services that they are offering to a business to grow. So what are the structures as it is defined over here for IT BPM industry? The company within the IT BPM industry are classified on the basis of the following parameters: the area to which the company is serving. They first have to understand what they have to do for the company they are attached with or the company they have tied with. Then the type of services the company is providing, what type of services that company is providing, they have to look after. What are the geographical reach of that business, they have to study. And what are the scope of profit earned by the company, means what are the area to which their business has spread around. So these type, as I said, these type of companies are very large scale or big companies. So few of them are multinational companies. You might have heard this word MNC. So they can take their services. In Indian service provider ISP initial begin with their operations in India. They work continuously doing a research and development work on a particular project. Most of these companies have their control centers in India while having workspace in many international locations. So very high type of workload has been done using this service provider. Global in-house centers, GIC. So the fewer examples of GIC centers has been mentioned where these type of work are being done in a vast manner. It takes time, it requires much more work of their observation, their analysis, their implementation. So it is handled by a large organization. Small industry and mediocre level of industry cannot survive if they will go for this outsourcing services. So that is it for today. Tomorrow I would be dealing with applications of IT. Stay tuned. See you tomorrow. Goodbye, students.